Hello everyone, welcome. So I'm going to show you today an online order that I made from Pink and Blossom, which is an Asian beauty care site. It's a Canadian site. I believe they're located in Ontario here. So I ordered and it only took about maybe 3 days to arrive. I've always wanted to order from this company, but they didn't have very many sales. But over Christmas, they had a really great sale, 30 to 50% off everything online. So I decided to purchase some things that I've had my eye on for quite a while. And yeah, it's early afternoon. I'm still in my pajamas. Jules had some people over and they were kind of loud during the night, and I didn't get much sleep, so I kind of slept in. But yeah, do you like my pajamas? It's a little snowman, and it's so fuzzy and warm. I got it in Marshall's. So anywho, back on track, Heidi. So when I first opened the box, I noticed this little package. It said free gift, and it was a bunch of samples. Like there's 12 samples in here. Most companies will give like a free mask or a couple little samples. This has 12 samples in it. So right off the bat, I thought that is great. I'm definitely ordering from these people again because I love samples. And I'll just quickly go over some of the samples that I did purchase, and then I'll get to what I ordered. So they did throw in a mask, sheet mask. This is from Misha. Usually on these little kits they have an eye cream, a toner, a lotion, a moisturizing cream. And this is, I'm not going to even try to pronounce that name, but that's the name of the company. And this has a toner, oil, balancing gel, and nutrition cream. These are a couple of products from the company called Easter, and it is a scalp solution, and it treats many different scalp problems. And this is a lotion, and this is from Misha. It's bee pollen, and this is a little sample. I'm not sure what company this is. It's an emulsion, and this is some fermented snail care emulsion by Swanakoko company. So I got this in this little container. And this is by Cosrx. It's Moisture Renewal Power Cream. This is by Aqua. I'm not pronouncing that right. I'm probably going to butcher all these Korean names, but anyway, this is Matacasicide cream. And then this is the Cosrx Advanced Snail all-in-one cream. And I do have the full size of this one. So wow, I was very impressed to get that many samples from a company. So that's great. So I'll go through what I did order. Now, I think the majority of these products are by Misha, which is a Korean company, and they are cruelty-free. I do have one Cosrx product and some other. But now, I've been eyeing this one online for a while, but I thought it was just way too expensive. But it was on for half price, and it's by Misha. Again, I'm not going to try to pronounce the name of this product. And it was, you get 2 full ounces, which is pretty good. But it was like $45 original price. But it was on half price, so I got it for like $22.50 or so. And the packaging is absolutely stunning. When I am done this, I am not going to throw this in the garbage or recycle it. I am keeping this on my vanity for the rest of my life because it's absolutely gorgeous. I love red and burgundies together with golds. And there she is. Oh, I mean, it is absolutely stunning. It is just gorgeous. And it's kind of like a gel cream. But there is 2 full ounces. Very faint smell, so it's not perfumey or anything like that. But yeah, I probably did get it more for the packaging. I'm sure I'll enjoy the cream, but holy moly, I can't stop staring at that. And then, this is also by Misha. This is Slurred Deep Cleansing Water, Super Aqua. And I think this was on sale for like $8 or $9, and you get half a liter or 500 cc's, so you get quite a bit. Now usually I use cleansing oils followed by a cream cleanser, but once in a while, like especially in the summer, I just want to been sweating and just came back from a hike or something, and I just want to kind of get cleaned up. Then I'll use some micellar water, and it's also good for taking off makeup and that sort of thing. But yeah, that's like half a liter for $9 was a good deal. And then there was, this is by Misha, the Time Revolution, the First Treatment Essence Intensive Moist. I've heard a lot about this. It's gotten rave reviews. Now an essence and a toner, there's a little bit of a difference. I'm not going to go into detail or anything like that, but after you cleanse your face, then you can go in with an essence or a toner. So an essence, they're usually, this one in particular is moisturizing. So basically what it does is it kind of settles your pH to normal again, and it also helps absorb, the products that follow absorb better. And this is what this one looks like, and it's glass, so I'm not going to be traveling with this, but it's a nice frosted glass. And yeah, I've heard very, very good things about this one. I did get the Misha Perfect Lip and Eye Makeup Remover. That's by Misha also. And this one, they had a couple of different types. This one's just the moisturizing one, has a lot of really moisturizing ingredients in it. You just shake it up. And yeah, I usually use cleansing oils at the end of the day to kind of remove everything, but if I got like heavy duty waterproof makeup and just a lot of makeup in general on, or like a liquid lipstick, I might go in with this first before my cleansing oil. And then this is the Cosrx Galactomyces Alcohol-Free Toner. And now these galactomyces, they're fermented products basically. So I hope I get the story right. So people that were working in distilleries who were working with fermented yeast and that sort of thing, their hands never aged. Their hands look so youthful all the time. And yeah, they just didn't seem to age at all. So they figured, let's put this on our face. So yeah, I've heard a lot about these Asian skincare products using these fermented products. And yeah, I thought I'd just go ahead and give that a try. And it's alcohol-free too. And then these are from Misha also. And one's a cleansing oil and one's a cleansing cream. And this is the Herbal Cleansing Oil. And I think you get about 180 mils, so it's quite a good, generous amount. It'll take a while to get through. I just love the packaging on these Korean products. They're just so pretty. And then this is the cleansing cream. So you get 200 mils on this. So this will take a long time to get through. Yeah, the cleansing creams, just with my skin so dry, especially in the winter time, I go in with the cleansing oil, then I do the double cleansing, and I follow it with the cleansing cream. And yeah, the packaging is just, like, look at the top on there. It's just so pretty. And the last thing is, this is from Nature. It's the Volcanic Pore Care Deep Cleansing Foam. So it says it's moisturizing, so I'm hoping it is. Some foam cleansers can be a little bit drying, so they say this is quite moisturizing. I probably use this in the summer when you're covered with sweat and sunscreen and bug spray and you just want a really good deep cleansing. So yeah, so like I said, all these products were 30 to 50% off. Right now they have a sale. If you spend $89, you get $19 off. So I put in another order yesterday. So I did spend $90, but I used the $19 code. Plus I had you can collect reward points when you order things. So I used $6 on my reward points. So I spent about $90, but I got $25 off. So my total order came to $65 instead of $90. So if you're interested, there's that sale on right now. There's free shipping if you spend $59 Canadian or up. So I got free shipping both times. So yeah, they send to the States also. So yeah, I don't think they have a lot of sales, but yeah, I just kind of keep my eye open because when they do, they have a really good sale. So I hope you enjoy. Oh, one more thing. I know I mentioned when I went to Miniso, which is an Asian store here in our mall. They're scattered throughout Canada and the States now. But I found this package of 7 masks, and it's by Lululemon. The company Lululemon, and it's a Japanese company. And I went on to Yes Style, and they had these on there, and I guess it's one of the most popular Japanese masks. So yeah, I'm going to use this. Sorry, my camera overheated. Anyway, yeah, check out Miniso if you have one near you. They do have some really good masks there. Anyway. I've been blabbering too long, so everyone take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.